Hi guys! So tonight or today, I'm gonna show you how to get unready with me. So tonight I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine. So first of all, tatanggalin ko yung makeup ko by using this deep cleansing oil. Deep cleansing oil by DHT. So nabili ko yan sa Japan. So ito yung nire-rate nila na papa-erase ng makeup. 2 pumps sa kamay ko and then ayan, spread ko sa hands ko to warm it up. And then, yun na, ilalagay ko sa face ko. Then, put some on the neck area. While doing this, you have to massage your face. So, after nito guys, so natanggal na siya lahat. So, after nito, I'm gonna wash my face using this soap. Ito pala is Oxygen Bar. Ayan. Natural Essentials Oxygen Bar. It has anti-aging and whitening properties. Meron siyang lahat ng pampaputi na nandyan sa market ngayon. Nandito na po siya sa Oxygen Bar na to. Ayan. So, ito po yung ginagamit ko. Gamit na siya, ganyan na siya kanipis, dapat palitan na siya. So, I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So, ito na yung clean face ko. Nakapaghilamos na ako with the Oxygen Bar. And then, so, next step is Natural Essentials Antioxidant Toner. So, ayan. It is hydrating and whitening, anti-pimples. So, lahat-lahat na siya. Since ginamit ko po ito, hindi na po ako nagkaka-pimples. So, it's a very good combination with this. Actually, dapat may strawberry scrub pa itong kasali. Kaso, yung strawberry scrub po, ginagamit ko lang siya every other day kasi I have sensitive skin. So, strawberry scrub, if you don't have any if you don't have a sensitive skin, pwede siya 6 times a week. So ako po is I have sensitive skin, so ginagamit ko lang po siya every other day. So kahapon nag-strawberry scrub ako, so tonight hindi muna. So pero itong toner is I use this every day. So what I do is it has hydrating and whitening properties. This ang kagandahan po nito, which is what I like, is it is 100% natural. So after using the toner, I'm using an eye cream. This is the It's Skin Collagen Voluming Eye Cream. Tinry ko muna tong sachet if okay sa akin. Order ako ng yung mas malaki. So far, so good naman itong collagen voluming eye cream from It's Skin. So, I think o-order ako ng mas malaki. Next is the hyaluronic acid. Mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang hyaluronic acid po is kailangan po natin sa skin natin pang pa-hydrate kasi ina-absorb niya po yung moisture 100 times sa skin natin. So, next is I put the placenta. Ayan, placenta serum. After the serums, ito po nilalagay ko. The Shiro Yun Cream. Yan. The Shiro Yun Cream from Hada Labo. Made in Japan pa rin po. That is my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you like it and sana matry nyo rin yung mga products na ginamit ko kasi ang gaganda nila. Okay, bye!